Hey, how you doing out there? George Gillis, listen. I wanted to talk to you a few minutes about the Easy1UP system. Now, this system is creating successful lifestyles for many and thousands of people online today. All you have to do is get started today. You don't want to hear all the bluff and hype and all of this stuff about the scams of people making $30,000 in a week with this program. It's kind of irresponsible and incredible to believe, but I am a part of the Easy1UP system, and I'm actually making money residual monthly by referring people to the site who joins at the highest level they can get in. It's 5 or 6 different levels that you can get started in to make this residual income. It took me a minute to understand that, but as an internet marketer for 5 or 6 years now, I've come across a lot of scams out there, and a lot of stuff that didn't work. But I found this program that truly has worked, and my mentor has helped me, back me with getting prospects and leads and people interested in an educational suite program that would make them residual monthly income. All you have to do is put in the work. Simple to do, easy to do, and if you want to get involved, all you have to do is join the program, or at least take a look at the program and see what it is doing for them. I have lots of team members on my team that are making residual monthly income, and they're satisfied with it. And we also have a Facebook group, the Easy1UP Facebook group, and we're teaching people and showing people how to make money online. We're giving true value, true content, and free at that with it. We don't charge anybody for the content and the videos and stuff like that that'll help them with their internet marketing business. Whatever business you're in, you can take this system and grow it. The Easy1UP system is the best system I've seen to make monthly incomes, where you can have your own internet business online, and you can do it today. So get started by clicking the button below and see if this is for you. And you can come in at the $25 level, elevation level, and it'll be great. I will help you along the way. If you need any help, you can contact me on Facebook.com/George G. Gillis Jr. And we'll get you in the group, and we'll get you satisfied. We'll help you all the way that we can and do everything for you. Thank you, and have a blessed day. We'll see you on the inside.